Welcome friends on How to Solve YouTube channel. Tech giant Apple planning to launch its second generation earbuds called AirPods 2. Apple AirPods, which is the second most selling Apple product. We start today about forthcoming Apple AirPods 2 features, price, color, and release date as rumors. AirPods 2 design and specifications. Popular news media says Apple's new AirPods 2 look mainly identical to the current AirPods from the outside part. Apple new earphones will be offer deeper bass and more sensors compared to AirPods first generation. More pretty decent bass response will give superior audio quality. Ultimately, AirPods 2 user will get the full sense of the mood and intent of the fantastic music experience. Furthermore, new biometric sensors on the AirPods 2 will be used for the new health features, allowing them to double up as a fitness tracker including heart rate monitoring. Apple AirPods 2 Bluetooth technology. It will have a newer Bluetooth 5.0 low energy standard. It will enhance communication between your smartphone and wireless AirPods. AirPods 2 color. Folks have a wish list of AirPods 2 colors like space gray and dark black. But color is confirmed, which will black and white color AirPods 2. AirPods 2 design. Next generation AirPods, both earbuds and case may come with a new coating on top. The new coating on the housing special matte coating to improved. Similar to a coating used on the glass back of Google's Pixel 3 phone. Now let's see what will the price of Apple's new earpiece. AirPods 2 price. New hardware improvement and the modern feature will make the cost higher, around $40 than old AirPods. Rumors says the AirPods 2 is expected to be priced around $200. So definitely, the cost will be $40 higher than first generation AirPods. AirPods 2 release date. The Apple AirPods 2 will come out in the first 6 months of 2019. Probably it will be released on March 29, 2019 or later, but before June 2019. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and tap on bell icon to get more updates on Apple AirPods.